It's July 28, 2019, and I hope all of you are having a great day today. And in my previous video, I got installed my new aftermarket Catless front pipe and over pipe on my Subaru BRZ. And it sounds amazing. And I told you guys I didn't get enough clips of my actual exhaust. So in today's video, I'll be getting exhaust clips of my new setup for my BRZ. So I'll be getting clips inside of the car, outside of the car, and I'll be putting the GoPro right above the exhaust so we can get really good exhaust clips. The car is honestly a lot louder right now. It does have the one resonator on it, but it is completely catless right now. But it sounds awesome. The car screams right now, and I really do love how it sounds. Alright guys, so really quick before we get going, I'll go over what my setup is on my Subaru BRZ. So for my catback, I do have an Invidia N1 catback exhaust. And for my header, I have a JDL unequal length header. My front pipe and my over pipe are from Speed by Design. My front pipe is catless, but it does have a resonator. And my over pipe, it does have a thicker diameter than the stock over pipe, and it gives it a really deep tone, and it really does sound awesome. So really quick, we'll start the car up. This is not a cold start because I just drove the car, but we'll get going right now. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and let's get going. So we'll start with some in-car accelerations with the GoPro as well. And I know the camera does not do it justice, but the car has a really deep rumble, and with the unequal length header, you do get that classic Subaru rumble, and it does sound awesome. In my previous video, those pops are so much louder because there's not as much restriction now. I really wonder if it is popping flames in the back. Shifts are so loud. Darker outside, we can see them. There is massive flames coming out of this exhaust right now. Alright guys, I'm currently filming the video with all the exhaust clips, and I was looking through the GoPro footage just now, and looking through this, my exhaust is shooting flames right now. And I didn't notice that until I was looking through this, but it is shooting little flames out of there, and I want to try to do this more, do some more backfires, and see if I can get more flames for you. And I had no idea that I was doing that until now. And it's because I have no catalytic converters, just that one resonator. And when I'm doing those backfires with my pop tune, little flames are coming out of the back. And it's not even that dark outside yet. I guarantee you if it's completely dark outside, those flames would be a lot bigger. So we'll try to do a few more and we'll finish the video there. Alright guys, it's getting dark outside. I'm going to end the video right here. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video today. I really do love my new exhaust setup. It sounds awesome. Please leave a comment down below what you guys think of this exhaust system, and leave a comment down below what your favorite exhaust setup is for the BRZ, FOS, and 86. And remember, I respond back to every single comment I get. Peace out, and I'll see you guys in the next video.